Okay, so hopefully you've been finding these questions okay so far. You've hopefully had a question 4 and 5 this time. I'm just going to run through the answers with you so you can see where you got the marks. Remember that on your homework you should mark your work and give yourself a score in total as well. So here it tells you that there's 0.75 kilograms of ice in a bath. We want to know the mass, so you've got 0.75 is going to be our mass. Okay, we're going to times that by the specific heat capacity. So ice's specific heat capacity tells you down here of 2,100. I'm going to multiply that then by the temperature change. There's the specific capacity of the ice. Temperature change is going from -4 to 0 degrees C, so that's a change of 4 degrees C. How you have done that, you've done 0 minus -4 if you wanted to know, which gives you a positive 4 degrees C change. Okay, so I've got an answer of 4 going in there for temperature change. That's what my energy is equal to. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. I'm going to do 0.75 multiplied by 2,100 multiplied by 4. If I put that into a calculator, I get an answer of 6,300 joules. Okay, how do you get the marks here? So you get a mark for finding the temperature change was 4 degrees C. You get a mark for putting the numbers into your equation. You get a mark for the correct answer of 6,300 and a mark for the unit of joules. Can you give yourself a score out of 4, please, for that question? Okay, I'm just going to move on. Obviously, if you need a bit more time, you can pause the video there. So question 5 works in a very similar way. We want to find mass first this time. So it says that the copper pan has a mass of 1.7 kilograms. Going to multiply that by the specific heat capacity. Going to highlight that now. Of 390 for copper. I'm going to multiply that by the temperature change. It tells you here we're going from 18 to 46. So you're going to do 46 minus 18. Do that on a calculator if you need to. You get a change of 28. So I'm going to put 28 degrees Celsius there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write in energy at the front. And put that number into a calculator. So if you do 1.7, energy is going to equal 1.7 times 390 times 28. Putting that into your calculator, you get an answer of 18,564. Now I can round that up to be 18,600 joules. Either one of these numbers is okay. Going through the marking, you get 1 mark for getting 28 degrees Celsius, 1 mark for doing 1.7 times 390 times 28, 1 mark for the correct answer, and 1 mark for your unit. And gives you a score out of 4. So please give yourself a total score for all the questions, which would be out of 20. Thank you for listening. I hope you found our video useful.